door! Good evening, Halloween fans. Jeff here with Team Deadwake. We are here at Hysterium Haunted Asylum here in Fort Wayne, Indiana for their summer Psychosis event. It already sounds like some people are already getting interrogated, so let's go ahead and get inside and go get some scares. Oh boy. Oh, here we are. Oh, wonderful, a kitchen. This is what I signed up for. I'm really hungry. Is anybody? Oh, there's... Are you serious? Like, I just walked in here, you're already taken, so I've got 4 stickers. Well, I had 4 stickers on me. And now I'm down to 3. How am I supposed to fill my post? You know what? I'm going back this way. I'm going to find them.
What kind of oath? Depends.
Where did you even come from?
Everywhere, nowhere. Right this way.
Oh, we're going this way?
Of course.
Oh man, I was just trying to go the other way.
Now, there's only one right way. The right way is right.
Oh, this way, okay.
Running away. You want to get lost in the maze?
Oh, I'd love to get lost.
All right. Pick a door, any door.
Any door. This one looks safe.
That one looks safe. Why the
Oh man. This is not right. Yeah, whatever you said, yeah.
Hey!
Oh, he's back again.
I'm everywhere and nowhere.
Door 13. Oh.
Sadly not the exit.
Oh, jeez.
This way, this way.
Way to attack me with the door.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's.
Hi, Danny.
Oh my gosh.
She set you up? No.
I'm so confused where to go right now.
You wanna go down the tunnel?
I'm still confused.
Rick?
Oh, we have to go through this thing?
Yeah.
Oh man.
It's fun. Just keep pushing through like it's your mom. And
Yeah,
then
sure.
You again.
Yep, okay, you stay over there, I go this way. That's how this is gonna work. Why is this me? Why is this thing so long? Oh, we're just gonna go this way. I don't trust you. Door 13. I don't trust you. This is how this works.
Is it because of how I look?
Maybe.
It took me 15 years to perfect this.
I'm sorry to hear that. Why are you so mad? Oh, where'd you come from? What is wrong with you? Oh my gosh. I think we're in a laundry room. Stop it! Stay in your area! Oh my gosh. Because I don't feel safe. There's a lot going on in here.
Oh.
Why are you so upset?
You got a problem?
Just a tad bit. You're in my way.
Just a tad bit. You're in my house.
Your
I
house.
don't care.
Oh, you should care.
You should care.
That's. Oh, this is. I don't know if we're supposed to be in this way. Oh boy. Oh man. What did I sign up? Nora? Tyler? I need backup. What? That's a dead end. Here, oh, there's a door. Let's go through here. Claustrophobia treatment ward. Alright. Oh, nope, sorry. We'll go back this way. Not that guy again. Oh, jeez. Oh, finally. A room I could just sit in and just... Y'all. I don't even know how to react right now. Like Tyler and Nora, I don't know why I set myself up for this. Do we go outside? What's in here? I don't trust it, y'all. Oh my God, it's a goat! Oh boy, oh boy. I'm so confused right now. Like, I just ended up outside. Is this even part of it? It's so quiet out here. I don't trust it. There's like no lights on out here. I don't think I'm supposed to be out here. Oh, what is this?
What is that?
Oh, there's somebody in the... Am I in the right space? Am I not supposed to be here?
I don't know.
Oh, this way? Okay.
Okay, I'm nice.
You're nice?
Wait, hood. Bright light, sun. Dark.
Sun?
Why is there a sun
It's like
at, like
10:30 at night. What are you
yeah,
talking about the sun?
You didn't know that?
Oh,
7
you took my sticker, you freak!
It's 7 in the morning?
Hey,
Hey, I can't see!
y'all are tag teaming me for
I
no
can't
reason.
see. Hey, no.
That's a killer!
Give me! Give me!
Nope, nope, nope. Oh God! Whoa, go! Oh, that's a door! There's so many people! I'm scared. Oh, no. No.
Like uncalibrated spikes.
Uncalibrated spikes, what are you talking about?
You need to be calibrated.
Go back this way! I'm going back this way, I don't trust it.
Sun,
I'm just trying to get to the other side.
You can't, though. Sun, moon, stars. Where do we go?
Come on, I'll show you.
There's gotta be another way.
No, you can't go that way.
I can't go this way. Are you serious?
This way!
I go this way, I go this way. 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 I go this way.
Yeah.
I go this way. Oh, this is unsafe.
Feels like you are too.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. Who are you?
Here, huh?
I really don't know anymore. I'm out of breath. That's all I'm out of breath and yeah.
Oh, what are we out of breath for? You been running?
It's the salami.
I swear there's like 4 chainsaws.
Why don't you just take a break and stay for dinner, will ya?
What's for dinner?
Chicken by the looks of it. It's been so long since I had a proper
Actually, I'd
meal.
rather have something different because I had steak for lunch and I'd rather not eat chicken.
Why not?
Oh
Don't
my
like
gosh.
protein?
Are you again?
Yes, it's me. I live here.
Oh, I'm sure you do.
Don't mind him. He doesn't have much.
You know what? I think these dinosaurs are a little bit safer than you guys are.
Chipmunk.
Chipmunks?
Learn your animals. Go back to first grade, learn your animals really quickly. Then come talk to me about animals.
Oh. All right. Oh my gosh, that's a door.
Oh, what do we got here?
Wait, is this a secret door? Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to be in here. Why are you sliding everywhere? Don't you guys dust around here? Oh yeah, get him over here. It's his fault. Stop banging on things. They cost money. Oh, where are we going? I don't go through things that have white sheets. Why are you staring at me like that? Oh, okay. May leave you on the wrong floor. Oh, wonderful. Oh, this is cute. I love what you guys have done with the place. Oh, he was definitely not having it. Is the coast clear? Listen, I thought this was a walkthrough, not like lose your mind, run through this place like All right, here we go, guys. Oh dear. Oh, okay. We're going down a rabbit hole. Oh my gosh. Wait, he was not even an actor. Oh my gosh, I thought you were gone.
I'm never truly gone. I'm always here.
Oh, I'm sure
and I'm
you
not
are.
here in person. I'm in your dreams.
Oh, that's
You never ever be rid of me.
Oh, that's wonderful thoughts. Oh, not you again. I thought we got rid of you. I thought we got rid of you.
Never. You don't want to be my.
You know, I could have used some extra friends, cause
Really?
yeah, you want to walk through the rest of this place with me? Cause I
Oh,
don't.
I'd love to.
Oh, okay.
You lead the way. Come on.
Oh,
Come on.
you're just gonna follow me?
But you want it off.
All right, well, we're going to go this way, okay? Why do you have to look at me like that? Can you at least... Oh my God. I was going to at least say, can you cover one eye, but obviously that one just took the trophy.
Where you going?
Somewhere.
You don't want to stay here with the voices?
No, I've got plenty of them. I don't need any more.
I bet you do, but there's
Oh, my
more.
knee hurts so bad.
You want to play a game with me?
What is going on out there?
Do you want to play a game?
What game are we playing?
I don't know, but they locked me down here, so I have all the time in the world to wait!
Oh, he said, wait, there's voices. I don't appreciate them. Some stupid streamers, get out of my way. Oh, hi.
See the water tank down there?
Yeah, what about it?
You take a while. Do you guess what I'm gonna do to you?
You're gonna steam me. You're gonna steam my
I'm gonna
buns.
boil you alive! That sounds like fun! Right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, we're gonna continue on now. You and your fungus and the fungus are fatal. Oh my gosh. Wait, what's this? Exit only? Oh no. I did not sign up for that. I do not like clowns. Why are you staring at me like that? Oh, slow death. Oh, nope. We're not. I did not sign up for this. Why are you crawling like that?
Why do you smell like that?
I am. Do you see any smiles on my face right now? I just got shot in the face with an air cannon. And I'm sweating like you forgot something. I didn't fart. Oh. Why? Oh my gosh, I gotta get out of here. How do I? Oh, I can't even leave this way. Oh my gosh. What's going on? Oh, there's a door. Perfect. I can't wait to exit it. Hey, what are you doing? No, you stay in there. I go this way. Oh, what's this thing? I don't trust it. We're just gonna continue. Oh God. Oh, what's? Anybody in here? No?
What are you doing?
You again?
I knew you'd come back.
Why?
You can go down
this.
there, but you can't exit.
You know what? There's a red light flashing down there. I think that's just giving me bad signs. So I'm gonna go back this way.
Maybe that's a good idea. Maybe it's not.
Oh, what? Guys, I'm so lost. I really don't know where to
Looking
go.
for the exit. Look for the doors that say movie ends.
I don't know. These glowing red eyes are just staring me down. I don't appreciate it. Oh, jeez. Nope. No Mr. Tickles for me. Gotta go back this way. We gotta leave. Wait.
Why are you following me?
I thought this was another exit. Oh, I am not trusting this. Nora, you would hate these spiders right now. Oh my gosh.
Who's Nora?
My alter ego.
Hi, Nora.
It's 2026. Accept it.
I don't.
Oh my. Watch these corners. Just gotta watch the corners. Just passing through. Bye. Okay, we're going this way. All right, we gotta go, guys. I think they're about to keep me here forever. Yeah, hi, bye.
No.
Oh, come on. I did not plan on staying here forever. Are you hungry? You can't eat this. It doesn't taste good.
It's a sun. It's a mini sun. Wait, come back. I want